Hello everyone, welcome back to Rafi Gadget Review. When it comes to protecting your vehicle, a reliable dashcam can be one of the smartest investments you make. Whether you're a daily commuter, a rideshare driver, or simply want extra security while parked, having complete video coverage can provide valuable peace of mind. Today, we're taking a look at the Vantrue N5S, also known as the Vantrue N5S, a premium 4-channel dashcam designed to monitor both the inside and outside of your vehicle. Before we begin, let's quickly see what's inside the box. You get the Vantrue N5S main unit, rear camera, mounting accessories, power cable, and the necessary documentation to get everything set up. Now, the biggest selling point of the Vantrue N5S is its true 4-channel recording system. Unlike traditional dashcams that only record the front and rear views, the N5S records from 4 cameras simultaneously. The front camera captures footage in 2.7K resolution, the rear camera records in 2K, and there are 2 dedicated interior cameras that record in Full HD 1080p. This setup provides extensive coverage around the vehicle and significantly reduces blind spots. Whether something happens in front of the car, behind the car, or inside the cabin, the N5S is designed to capture it all at the same time. One feature that makes this camera especially interesting is its dual interior camera design. Instead of focusing on only one section of the cabin, the system is designed to monitor both the driver's side and the passenger or cargo side. This can be particularly useful for rideshare drivers, taxi operators, or anyone who regularly carries passengers and wants additional visibility inside the vehicle. Another major highlight of the N5S is the camera technology itself. Every single lens uses a Sony StarViz2 IMX675 image sensor. According to Vantrue, this makes the N5S the only 4-channel dashcam equipped with StarViz2 sensors across all 4 cameras. Why does that matter? Because image quality is one of the most important aspects of any dashcam. During daytime driving, the footage looks clear and detailed, making it easier to identify road signs, lane markings, vehicles, and license plates. However, where these sensors really shine is during nighttime recording. Many dashcams struggle when lighting conditions become challenging, often producing noisy and blurry footage. The StarViz2 sensors help improve low light performance across all recording channels, allowing the camera to retain more detail in darker environments. Whether you're driving through poorly lit streets or parked overnight, the system is designed to deliver clearer recordings with better visibility. Another feature that adds to the overall security package is the 24/7 buffered parking mode. This is particularly important because it doesn't simply start recording after an impact or motion event occurs. Instead, buffered recording captures footage from moments before the trigger event, helping provide a more complete picture of what actually happened. For vehicle owners who frequently park in public areas, shopping centers, or crowded streets, this can be extremely useful feature and may help provide valuable evidence if an incident occurs while the vehicle is unattended. The Vantrue N5S also includes built-in GPS and a built-in LCD display. The screen allows you to review footage, adjust settings, and monitor recordings directly on the device without needing additional accessories. Meanwhile, GPS functionality can add location information to recorded footage, making trip records more complete. Connectivity is another area where the N5S feels modern and convenient. The dashcam features dual-band 5 GHz Wi-Fi, allowing faster access to recordings and smoother file transfers through the companion app. Instead of waiting for large video files to transfer slowly, users can enjoy a much quicker experience when managing footage. In addition, the camera supports OTA or over-the-air firmware updates. This means future software improvements and updates can be installed more conveniently without complicated procedures. Storage support is equally impressive. The N5S supports memory cards up to 1 TB, allowing users to store a significant amount of footage before older recordings begin to overwrite. The system also supports voice commands, making everyday operation even more convenient. Users can perform actions such as taking photos, logging important video files, displaying rear camera view, starting recording, or turning on the screen using simple voice instructions.
Take photo.
Even better, The voice control feature supports multiple languages, including English, Chinese, Japanese, Russian, French, and other supported languages, making it more accessible for users around the world. It's a practical feature that helps reduce distractions while keeping important controls easily accessible. Overall, the Vantrue Nexus 5S is an impressive premium dashcam system that focuses on complete vehicle protection. With true 4-channel recording, Sony StarVis 2 sensors on every camera, excellent night performance, dual interior cameras, buffered parking mode, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS, voice commands, OTA updates, and support for up to 1 TB of storage, it delivers a well-rounded package for drivers who want maximum coverage and security. If you're looking for a dashcam that can monitor every important angle of your vehicle, both day and night, the Vantrue N5S is definitely worth checking out. And thanks for watching Graphic Gadget Review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more reviews and tech content. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.